Hi, I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. The question I'm going to answer this morning is, what is the easiest way I can share videos in my Google Drive and make it easy for my students to get to them, rather than always making them go to a Google Doc to get to the link. But before I share some ideas on how to do this, hit that subscribe button, because I create videos on Google Workspace and Gmail all about helping you master using these as business tools. You can see I have two folders in my drive that I set up for a demonstration in this context. I have class documents and I have class videos. Now, in class documents, you'll see that there are four primary documents: doc 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, I've also shared these. I clicked on each one of these and I hit the share button, and I changed it to anyone on the internet with this link can view it, and then I copy the link. Now, I did that for all four of these documents. Now, I'll show you what I did in videos. In videos, I have 4 videos. Now, I've also shared this folder. You can see the little people icon on both of these folders. I've shared both of these folders so I can give anyone I want access to the entire folder. But there might be a potpourri of videos in there that are not for everyone. Or there might be a whole bunch of different documents in here that are not for anyone, or not for everyone. So what I did here is I shared each one of these videos. Again, I click on the video, click on the share button, and I changed it to anyone on the internet with this link can view this document. And I copied all 4 of them. Now I went back to this document. Now I know the request is not to send them to a document, but I created a single document, maybe for one class, and I can create another document for another class, etc., etc. And I put all the videos that are relevant to, I put all the documents that are relevant to that class, and call this, class A resources. And I put the hyperlink. And the way I did that, let me copy this and show you how I did this, get rid of it. So what I did was I highlighted the text, just like this, and I hit Control K, or I hit this icon right here. And then I got the link for that document. Okay, I got the link for this document right here. Hit the share button, copy the link, because I've already shared it. And then I went back into here and I pasted that link in here, and I hit apply. Now I did this for all 4 of these. Got the link, highlighted the text, hit the link button, and inserted the link on all 4 of these. So I also did this for the videos. Again, I highlighted this text right here. I went to my Google Drive. I went over to get the video. Here's the videos. Here's video number 1. Actually, it's video number 2. And then copy the link. I made anyone on the internet can get it. Copy the link. I went back to the document, and I could hit this icon right here, or Control K, and I pasted with Control V the link to that video. And I did it for all 4 of these. Now, I'm creating a single document that has all of the resources for all the documents that I want that student to see, and all the videos I want them to see. Now, the question was, the teacher said, I don't want to send them to a Google Doc. Well, you can send them to a single Google Doc. So I could share this one document right here, hit the share button. And I share that anyone on the internet with the link can get this, copy the link. Now all I got to do is put that link in an email to the student, and when the student clicks on that link in the email, it brings it up, and there's the single document. Again, I could go do an email to the student, so I can send them a single email. I can put the link in here just by dropping the link right here, and they'll see the full link if I want them to see the full link. Or I could highlight this text if I want to and paste that, come down here and hit the little link icon and hit Control V and put that in there and do OK. So I can either send them to them as a full link, or send it to them with the link hidden behind the text. And then when they open that email up, they'll get that email, and there's the link, either right there or right there. And when they click on that right here, it brings up that document that I was just building. Now there's one more opportunity. One more opportunity. I could take that document that I created and I could file download as a PDF and send them a single PDF document that they can open up, and they'll get that PDF document. Again, I can put that in an email. Let me go do this. So compose a new message. Now I've already saved that PDF off to my computer. Right down here it is, sitting down here, but I can go here and I can do the icon here. I can go to downloads. There's the PDF. And there it is there, and I hit send. And now when they get that email, PDF of resources. And so they click on that, it'll open up however they want to open it up. I mean, I can open it up there. It'll open up in the system viewer as a PDF viewer, whatever they want, however they want to open that document up that's best for them. And then each one of these links still work. If I click on this link, it opens up that video. So there's lots of different ways. Let me recap. There's two different ways of doing this. I can save this information as a document, all the information in a single document, and give them a link to that document. I can save this document off as a PDF, download as a PDF, and I can send them a link to that PDF that they can open up in their system viewer. They can open up in a Chrome browser, wherever they want to open it up. There's no other, the only other way to do this would be to manually send them links to the videos every time, and I just don't think that's going to be as effective for you as what you want. I believe the right answer is to put all the links, however and whenever you want to, into a Google document. Share the single Google document URL with them that has all the content in it you want them to have, or save that off, download as a PDF, and send them that PDF in an email message. I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope these ideas are helpful for you.